Hey there, future document pros. Welcome to our guide on how to use DocuSign in 2025. If you're tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents, DocuSign is the game changer you've been waiting for. It's a secure, user-friendly platform that lets you sign and send documents electronically from anywhere. In this video, we'll break it down step by step so you can get started quickly. First, create an account. Visit the DocuSign website or download the app on your phone. Sign up with your email, set a password, and verify your account through a quick email link. It's straightforward and takes less than a minute. Once you're in, upload your document. Click the New button, select Upload, and choose a file from your computer, Google Drive, or Dropbox. DocuSign supports PDFs, Word files, and more. Next, customize your document. Use the easy-to-navigate editor to add signature fields, dates, and text boxes. You can draw your signature with your finger or mouse, or upload a pre-saved one. For 2025 updates, look for AI-assisted features that suggest field placements to save time. Now, send it out. Enter the recipient's email address, add a personalized message, and specify what they need to sign. DocuSign handles the rest, sending them a secure link. Keep track of everything in your dashboard. You can monitor the status of your documents, set reminders, and even void them if needed. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication for extra security, and explore integrations with tools like Microsoft Teams or Slack. Finally, once signatures are collected, download the completed document or store it in the cloud. That's it, you're all set to go paperless. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and let's make 2025 the year of efficient workflows.